Let's analyze Birkenstock's decision to add a new big buckle sandal to their product line. We'll start by looking at their initial scenario, then evaluate two options for potentially increasing profits. Let's break down the costs. For variable costs, we have $20 for materials, $25 for labor, $5 for shipping, and $5 for overhead, totaling $55 per pair. The fixed costs include $50,000 for advertising, $125,000 for plant manager salary, $350,000 for depreciation, and $50,000 for miscellaneous costs, totaling $575,000. Let's calculate the initial profit. With 12,000 pairs at $125 each, revenue is $1.5 million. Variable costs are $55 times 12,000 pairs, or $660,000. After subtracting all costs, the initial profit is $265,000. Now, let's evaluate option 1. If they increase the price to $150, sales would decrease by 30% to 8,400 pairs. This results in revenue of $1.26 million and variable costs of $462,000. The total profit would be $223,000, which is less than the initial scenario. Therefore, option 1 should be rejected. Finally, let's analyze option 2. By spending an additional $25,000 on Instagram influencers and $50,000 on equipment depreciation, sales would increase by 25% to 15,000 pairs. This results in revenue of $1.875 million and variable costs of $825,000. The total profit would be $400,000, which is higher than the initial scenario. Therefore, option 2 should be accepted. In conclusion, Birkenstock should proceed with option 2, the Instagram marketing campaign, as it provides the highest expected profit of $400,000.